Hello, everybody, and welcome to the spring semester. Welcome to Methods of Research. And in this first module, there's just a few introductory things that I want you to do. First one is to download the syllabus, and the second is to make sure you have your textbook. Then there is a discussion forum on here that's a question for you guys to talk about this week. Kind of a way to get to know you and share your fears, trepidations, all that stuff about this class because, well, for a lot of people this is scary. And I'll admit it was for me. So, but we're going to get through this and it's going to be great. And then I want you to, there's some course information module to work through, you know, the rules of engagement, course contract, netiquette, all those things that are probably old hat by now, but we still want you to do every semester just as a refresher. And then the last thing to do for this module is during this class we are going to be doing, well, during one section of this class anyway, we'll be doing an extended group project. It's about 5 weeks long. And then for the rest of the semester, and part of that group project builds on what we'll be doing. Because in this course, you'll be writing a research paper, an action research paper. Not quite a thesis, but still, you know, you'll a little literature review, you'll collect some data, you'll analyze it, that kind of stuff. And so there's going to be important information given to you, you know, daily, weekly, etc., etc. So what I want to do is I want to establish the best day of the week to open class up, so that we make sure that everybody is online the day class opens. It'd be like if you're coming to campus, you know, we're here, you're here on Wednesday night, or you're here on Tuesday night, or whatever night it is. Okay, so that everybody gets all the information to start the module that day, and they know where to start, where we're going, what road we're going down that week. It's going to be very, very, very important during this semester, because, you know, when we get started the process, you know, choosing a topic and all that, doing the literature review, your plan, all that, there's going to be a lot of feedback that needs to happen between you and me, your group and yourself, etc. It's me and your group. And so you're going to want to know what's happening right up front. And so I don't want me to set the date when course opens, like today. I chose Wednesday, convenience for me today, this week. But perhaps Saturday or Sunday is the better day for content to open up. Because I don't want to put stuff out here on Wednesday and 2/3 of you don't get in to Canvas until Saturday or Sunday, because that's not going to do anybody any good, because you're going to miss 4 days of some important stuff. You know, and within that extended group project, there's going to be messages that come on a regular basis. And so, you know, I want us to get in the habit of, okay, I get in the first day, and then I check, so that I know what's coming. That way we can keep rolling and keep going and keep moving, because it's a process, and it's not a fast process. And within both sections, there's 40 of you. So there's one of me, there's 40 of you, and so you're gonna, you know, patience is also going to be required. But if we can set a date that's good for everybody, we're going to go with majority rules on this. Then maybe it'll be easier to keep us all on the same page and know, okay, so on Saturday, when I get online, which is my day that I have, you know, because I know a lot of you have the weekends. That's when you set aside time to work. And that's okay with me. But maybe that's when we need to open up class. Not during the weekdays, but during the weekend. All right? And then so I get on Saturday, or if the class decides we're going to get on Sunday, whatever, then let's go from this day, and I know that I'm going to get in on Saturday, or I'm going to get in on Sunday, or whatever day we choose. I'm going to look at the module. I'm going to see what I need to do this week. I'm going to see if there's a special message, if there's something I need to check, if there's something due, I want to write down, all that stuff. And then I can plan my week, and I can come back in a couple times here and there during the school week or whatever, check messages, okay? And then know that when I come back next Saturday, there's going to be something else there, okay? And we'll work due dates along those lines, so things might be due on a Saturday or a Sunday, okay? Monday will definitely be a due date if we do a weekend start time, right? So we'll work due dates with that, right? So that's another thing you're going to do in this module. So it's just kind of a getting familiar with class, talking a little bit about class, and kind of thinking about how we want to approach class. So, are you ready? Here we go. Have a great one.